Hey everybody, today I'll be showing you a new thing that I've been working on in my basement. So, over here, we used to have just two receptacles on its own 20 amp socket that goes back to the panel. And a little while ago, during everyone, having to stay home and stuff, I decided to do a new project. So, I extended this as the GFCI, with GFI in this case. And it goes this way, and I installed these two new tamper-proof receptacles. Everything's grounded, new box, and new switch. So this is the existing NM, and then this is new. And this is going to explain why that switch is like that. So we follow it up, goes that way. We go over here, follow it back, and we get this. That's right, I now am starting to mess around with emergency lights and exit signs. I don't see this being a giant thing, like putting them all over my house, but it's pretty cool. I like this model a lot. It's really bright, and it does serve a purpose down here, because if the power goes out, we have the electrical panel over there, gas shut off if need be, and, other stuff. So, yeah, runs this way into a regular box. Extremely bright. Let's turn some of these lights off and I'll show you. First we're gonna unplug all these things. This is just temporary while we get some more stuff done back here. So this takes a special key. This is a tamper-proof key. Usually you see these around at schools and like educational facilities. You put it in. There we go. You put it in, and then there we go. Now power is shut off. Now, just as a disclaimer, in the future, when I replace the light, this is not my disconnect means. I go to the panel, shut the breaker off, and lock out and tag out procedures like you would in any regular setting. That's just a disconnect for when I do tests like this. So here it is. Turn these other lights off. There we go. So check that out, guys. That's daylight, and that's the light. It's crazy how bright it is. Covers up the basement beautifully. Like even back here, you can still see my shadow. I see the electrical panel back there. It's a fantastic fixture in my opinion. If I can find my key here, I'll show you how effective it is. And this is all GFI protected. There you go. Ready? So with it off, it's pretty dark. When it's on, it's really cool. So yeah, that's about it. I have another one. So if you guys want me to put the other model up, let me know. It has the more regular square light heads versus these eye lenses, so to speak. And for your information, this is a model, Thonia Lighting, ELM2L. It's a pretty cool light. I just want to give a big shout out to my friend David for helping me get a hold of these guys. So yeah, thank you guys for watching and have a great day.